I was absolutely devastated to learn that Pollo Tropical had the nerve to discontinue my favorite side, so I learned how to make it. We're gonna make some cheesy yuca bites. Start by boiling frozen yuca pieces until fork tender. You can buy fresh yuca, but that chopping and peeling process look like a pain, so feel free to save some time. Make sure to check the yuca and remove the woody stems in the center. Add the melted butter and mash the yuca thoroughly. Let me warn you, yuca is not like potatoes. It's gonna take some real elbow grease to mash this. I ended up splitting it into smaller portions to get it to the consistency I wanted. Then we add salt, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, and shredded cheddar cheese. Get in there and mix until everything is evenly incorporated. Take a pinch of the yuca and flatten it, then wrap it around your mozzarella cubes. Roll in your hands to seal completely. Heat your frying oil to 350 and drop in the yuca. I use canola oil, but you can use vegetable, corn, or peanut oil. This was my first time making this, so I kept checking on it to make sure it didn't get overdone, but it actually starts floating when it's ready. Drop it on a paper towel and serve hot or cool and freeze for later.